Welcome to the cutting-edge world of 3D printing in 2024, where technological marvels have reshaped the landscape of additive manufacturing. The best 3D printers of this year are pushing the boundaries of innovation, offering unparalleled precision, speed, and versatility. These next-generation machines redefine what's possible in creating intricate prototypes, functional parts, and artistic designs. In 2024, top 3D printers boast advanced features such as multi-material printing, faster printing speeds, and improved connectivity options. Industry leaders are focusing on user-friendly interfaces and enhanced automation, making 3D printing more accessible to a wider audience. From professional-grade printers catering to intricate industrial needs to consumer-friendly models suitable for hobbyists and small businesses, the options are diverse and exciting. Join us as we delve into the realm of the best 3D printers of 2024, exploring the forefront of technology that is revolutionizing manufacturing, design, and creativity. Anycubic Wash and Cure 3. The Anycubic Wash and Cure 3 emerges as a game-changer in the realm of 3D printing post-processing, offering enhanced features and efficiency at an affordable price point of $129. With a 42% increase in cleaning basket capacity compared to its predecessor, the Wash and Cure 3 accommodates larger 3D models, making it ideal for LCD printers with a size of 7.3 inches or less. Its expanded 4 liters cleaning bucket ensures thorough cleaning for diverse projects. Anycubic's innovative FlexiCure gooseneck light design intensifies curing capabilities, boosting energy values by 30,000 milliwatts per square centimeter within a 1 to 3 centimeters irradiation range. This feature ensures comprehensive curing, even in subtle areas like the top of models and garment hems. The Wash and Cure 3's dual-layered PP material cleaning basket supports different platform heights, maximizing IPA usage efficiency. Its enhanced curing power, attributed to a new bead arrangement and lens light source, improves curing uniformity by 20% over its predecessor, resulting in thorough model cures. Furthermore, the machine's quiet and simple operation, with easily selectable cleaning and curing modes, along with adjustable curing durations from 1 to 30 minutes, creates a comfortable working environment. With its quiet and efficient design, the Anycubic Wash and Cure 3 redefines the post-processing experience for 3D printing enthusiasts and professionals alike. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 revolutionizes 3D printing with an epic leap in efficiency, setting a new benchmark for i3-style 3D printers. Priced at $389, this powerhouse boasts a remarkably 12 times faster printing speed than its counterparts, reaching a max printing speed of 600 millimeters per second and max acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per second squared. The coordinated XZ move, automated belt tensioning, and precise Z-axis contribute to unparalleled print accuracy and minimal Z-banding. The robust extruder, equipped with a bolster spring and ball plunger, ensures a tight grip on filaments for clog-free extrusion lasting over 1,000 hours. The 60-watt hot end heater heats rapidly from 0 to 300 degrees Celsius in just 75 seconds, facilitating the seamless use of high-temperature filaments. Aesthetics meet stability with the integrated die-cast aluminum alloy gantry and base, providing robustness and a sleek look. The tri-metal unicorn nozzle, made of steel-tipped copper and a titanium alloy heartbreak, allows for quick and easy swaps, blocking heat creep effectively. Assembly is a breeze with highly pre-assembled modules, and the auto-calibration eliminates the need for tedious paper tests. The 4.3-inch HD touchscreen displays temperature leveling processes and model previews vividly, while the open-source Creality OS based on Clipper allows for customization and advanced functions. The Ender-3 V3 stands as a symbol of efficiency, precision, and user-friendly innovation in the 3D printing landscape. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a groundbreaking 3D printer priced at $299 that redefines convenience, precision, and accessibility in the world of 3D printing. The A1 Mini boasts full auto calibration, making it a hassle-free experience for users of all levels. With the innovative AMS light, it opens the door to elegant and reliable multicolor 3D printing, ensuring that creativity knows no bounds. This printer operates under 48 decibels in silent mode, providing a quiet environment conducive to focused work. The full metal linear rails and bearings contribute to stability and durability, while vibration and flow rate compensation mechanisms guarantee accuracy in every print. A standout feature of the A1 Mini is its active flow rate compensation. It utilizes a high-resolution, high-frequency eddy current sensor to measure nozzle pressure and adjust flow rates on the fly. The plug-and-play nature of the A1 Mini, arriving pre-assembled and pre-tuned, ensures a swift 20-minute setup for your first print. With active motor noise cancelling and a Core XY speed and quality bed slinger system, the A1 Mini delivers high-speed precision without sacrificing print quality. Syncing seamlessly with Bambu Studio and Bambu Handy, this 3D printer offers remote control, monitoring, and time-lapse recording through its built-in camera. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a compact powerhouse that brings advanced features and user-friendly design to the fingertips of 3D printing enthusiasts. Anycubic Photon Mono M5S Pro. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5S Pro stands as a pinnacle in resin-based 3D printing, offering an array of advanced features for a price of $625. Its 10.1-inch mono LCD boasts an ultra-high 14K resolution of 13,312 by 5,120, delivering an XY resolution of 16.8 by 24.8 micrometers, comparable to the thickness of human hair. With enhanced light uniformity at 85%, this printer ensures the reproduction of the smallest details and sharp edges, providing unparalleled printing precision. Ensuring a comfortable printing experience, the M5S Pro features a preheating function to maintain resin temperature above 20 degrees Celsius in low-temperature environments. The built-in activated carbon odor absorption system contributes to a pleasant printing atmosphere, and its efficiency allows for easy replacement. The Photon Mono M5S Pro impresses with high-speed resin printing, achieving an average speed of up to 105 mm per hour. Adopting a third-generation high-speed ACF film, this printer ensures high success rates, lowers peeling height, and increases lifting speed. The innovative leveling-free solution, employing floating platform technology and internal sensors, adjusts for uniform prints without manual leveling. To further enhance the success rate, the M5S Pro incorporates a residue detection function, intelligently identifying residues during the descent process to avoid screen breakage. The intelligent release feature calculates and adjusts the peeling height in real time according to the model shape, improving both printing success rates and speed. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5S Pro is a cutting-edge solution for enthusiasts and professionals seeking exceptional precision and reliability in resin 3D printing. Original Prusa MK4. The original Prusa MK4 emerges as a beacon of innovation in the 3D printing realm, priced at $1,149. This high-speed 3D printer incorporates cutting-edge technologies like input shaper and pressure advance in its firmware, leading to a staggering 70% reduction in print time compared to its predecessor, the MK3. Remarkably, the MK4 maintains a quiet operation even at these accelerated speeds. One of the standout features of the MK4 is its precise load cell sensor, facilitating a flawless and automated first layer without user intervention. This innovative technology ensures a consistently smooth foundation for every print, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. The Nextruder with breakout board takes center stage as the heart of the 3D printer. Its unique design simplifies the replacement of extruder components, making it a swift and uncomplicated process. The 32-bit X-Buddy main board, featuring advanced safety protection systems and versatile connectivity options, underscores Prusa's commitment to quality and reliability. Print quality reaches new heights with redesigned plastic parts, 0.9-degree stepper motors, and thicker 10mm rods on the Z-axis. The MK4 excels in handling even challenging filaments like flex, delivering exceptional results. User convenience is paramount in the MK4, with a color LCD screen supporting G-code thumbnails, QR codes, and a customizable footer panel. quick swap nozzles, a USB-A port for flash drives, and a seamless UI make the MK4 a joy to use. As the successor to the award-winning MK3, the original Prusa MK4 continues the legacy of effortless, fast, and silent 3D printing. With features like automatic first-layer calibration, a smart extruder, and support for a wide range of materials, the MK4 is a testament to Prusa's dedication to pushing the boundaries of 3D printing technology. Elegoo Neptune 4 Max. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Max, priced at $470, emerges as a powerhouse in the 3D printing landscape, boasting a range of features that elevate it to the upper echelons of performance and reliability. One of its standout features is the pre-installed Clipper firmware, enabling unparalleled printing speeds of up to 500 mm per second, default 250 mm per second, and accelerations of up to 12,000 mm per second squared. Equipped with acceleration sensors on the X and Y axes, the Neptune 4 Max ensures automatic calibration, improving print quality and minimizing vibrations. The Clipper high-speed motherboard, featuring a 64-bit 5G main frequency quad-core processor, supports advanced features such as input shaping and pressure advance. With a generous build volume of 420 by 420 by 480 cubic millimeters, this printer provides ample space for ambitious designs, allowing users to bring their creations to life on a grand scale. The Neptune 4 Max boasts a 300°C high-temp nozzle kit, enabling the printing of various filaments, including nylon. The powerful extruder with a 5.21 reduction ratio ensures reliable filament extrusion. In contrast, the dual-gear direct extruder and all-titanium alloy throat pipe contribute to efficient and uniform heating for quick filament melting. Versatile connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, U-Disk, and LAN, coupled with web remote control printing, make the Neptune 4 Max a user-friendly and convenient 3D printing solution. With a robust Z-axis configuration, silent drives on all axes, and precise motion control, this printer is engineered for stability, accuracy, and quiet operation, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike.